You learn that lesson pretty quickly. But guess what? Success is a lonely road. Success in anything worth having is tough. The only difference with trading is that we spend too long being sold the dream. We focus on the dream rather than trying to understand the reality. So let's remind ourselves. Trading isn't something you're going to become profitable with overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Ignore the snake oil salesman telling you of get-rich-quick, holy grail, press score, and profit systems. They don't exist. It's a false dawn. Sorry to burst your bubble, but I told you, we're focusing on the reality now. So what makes a great trader? Someone who has grit and determination. Someone who focuses on the long term and isn't constantly searching for short-term wins. Someone who knows what they want in life and isn't afraid to work for it. Someone who can endure the long, lonely hours, working on their own, sometimes without any tangible gain. Someone who can go to bed and even if they toss and turn all night worrying about their previous day's performance, can still get out of bed the next day with a hop in their step and get back to work. You see, too many traders give up too quickly when the reality hits them. We can all come out of the blocks at full speed with all the enthusiasm and conviction in the world, but there's a reason the stats show only a minority of traders end up successful. Because once things get tough, people give up. As soon as it becomes obvious that it's not smooth sailing, that you can't just cruise to the finish line, people make all sorts of excuses about why trading isn't for them. It's a scam. It's gambling. It's only for institutional traders. You need too much money. Once again, who said it was going to be easy? Training to become a success in any profession takes years of hard work. Trading is no different. It's just more accessible. We're talking about a market that exchanges trillions of dollars daily. And if you're willing to work harder than 90% of traders, you can carve out your piece of that. Just carving out your own small section can lead to the most fulfilling experience of your working life. That's what this is all about. Starting from something small, insignificant, and turning a number into something tangible. The ability to treat yourself and those closest to you to a better lifestyle. No more financial pressure, more security, more certainty. But besides that, the feeling of knowing exactly what you're doing in a challenging role. To wake up in the morning and know you've got your finger on the pulse of the entire world, the global economy that keeps everything ebbing and flowing, and you're an integral part of all of that. A knowledgeable trader, an investor, and an entrepreneur. You're part of an important group of professionals that keep the world turning. Sounds extreme? Well, guess what? It's the facts. So why should trading be so easy? The end justifies the means. We need to work hard for it. So if you had a losing day, pick yourself up and remind yourself why you're in this. If things have been tough for a while, go back to the drawing board and figure out what you've done right or wrong. If you've had a good spell, stay humble and focus on consistency. Make sure you keep your eyes on the long term and not the short term wins. After all, this is a marathon, not a sprint, but most of all, beyond anything else, don't lose your enthusiasm and don't give up. Your story starts here. Stay dedicated. This is just the beginning.